Nako. Paano ba to? Ladies and gentlemen, hindi ito, anong tawag doon? Nya di awag na di dyan, di tumaytayab na ko. Hindi to taken from a drone. I walked up to this site. So, yung mga interesado na medyo umakyat dito, ayan go to 1931 Cafe. And then, sige, i-video ko while we are going down. So, inaayos pa lang ito sa mga gustong mauna na. Actually, you can come for coffee. Ayan, my brother. Tapos, ayan, hindi pa sanay kaya. Ay. So, look, is on top of yung kalsada, main street ng Trinidad. Tapos, overlooking ang Stobosa. So, yung mga gustong mag-meeting, meron hanggang 80 katao. It can be accommodated here. So, pwedeng may indoor and then yung iba, alfresco, dito sa labas. So, I'm going down. Ay. Sa bagay, okay na. Nakikita ko. So, ayan So, ongoing pa rin ito. Pero actually, kung gusto nyo nang simulan, makita nyo, ayun there is Tobosa. Ayan ang La Trinidad Road and that's Colebeng. Mga
single table ko yung pagkapyan.
Later on in the future, yung mga daring, ayan gustong mag-coffee while overlooking, ayan ang makikita nyo, pababa ay pambihira. So exciting. So there's the road. Ayan. So ayan ongoing na inaayos ito. So yung mga content creators, if you want, pwede kayong mauna. And then may coffee pa. There it is pwede kayong magpa-party dito while ongoing inaayos pa naman. But for the meantime, pwede na may, if you want to have a party outdoors, alfresco, sariwa ang hangin talaga dahil yan ang makikita mong view. Ay, good thing wala akong fear of heights. Pero ang kalaban mo dito, pag nirarayuma ka, medyo pahinga-pahinga lang naman. And then there. So yan, inaayos pa. Ayan if you want a cozy place where you want to have a talk, pwede dito. Right under the cave. Ay, hindi naman. Wala na, hindi na kuweba. Then, so, gagawing restaurant ito. They'll be cooking the foods there. Tapos, alfresco. Pwedeng catered. Pag gusto naman ng indoor, ayun. Try coming to the 1931 Cafe. 1931 because that's the year our father was born, 1931. Sister-in-law ko. Diba? Feeling content creator ako. Ayan mabalin nga meeting ti football teams dito'y coaches. Pag may solidarity meeting kayo, sige, hingi ako ng discount for you. Ayan. Idiretso kon kabsat mapanak unag. Sige. So ayan. You can stay here outside. Covered naman. Under the natural skies pa rin. Pero ayan lang para matakpan ng ulan. So inaayos pa naman, but for the meantime, sa mga gustong mag-meeting actually pwede doon So, I will guide you inside. So, coaches, At ang buong FA, if you want to have our meeting din, ayan, pwede dito. So, this is 1931 Cafe. So, ito yung entrance. Or actually, okay. Ito ang Kolebeng. That's the Kolebeng. Tapos, tawid ka dito sa kabila. And then, you will see this. So, ayan. Ang 1931 Cafe. So, when you go inside, ito. Pagpasok. Ayan, may printing shop dito. May patahian. May dentist. On call. And then, so dito yung coffee shop. So, if you want to have a quiet meeting, someplace where there's internet, so pwede dito, yung mga content creators, you can come here. So, you can have your pick or coffee, mga drinks. So, ito, 1931 Cafe. Pag medyo malaki-laking grupo kayo, you can utilize the upper floor. Hindi ko na pinabuksan yung ilaw. Ang ganda ng ambience. So, look. Wait, magbukas tayo ng ilaw. Yes! So, ayan, good for 4. Ayan. So, pwede dito magkaroon ng solidarity meeting. You can request for food. So, ayan. So, again, 1931 Cafe, KM3, La Trinidad, Benguet. See you guys!